right, after you have the enclosure put around the frame, you can add the reservoir in there. And you can either put it like there in the middle, you can put it off to one side, whatever's most convenient for you. Also, if you purchase the regular hygrometer, you can mount it to the front of the reservoir like that. Just hooks right on there. Or if you have a wireless switch, I prefer, it works very well. You can just loop it around the back of the tubing. Like that. And just leave it in the back. That works really well. Now to put a guitar in and out, this is a 12-string jumbo guitar. So it rests like that. Or I can put it on this side if I want to put the case in. I need a little bit more room, so you have some flexibility in how you set this up. So I can turn it, orient it either way. And then if I want the case in, I just lift up that side and I put the case into here. And that's it.